Is there anything in your vehicle?
June 27th, 2023. As I was on my way to Walmart, I noticed the police unit driving behind me. At first, I didn't think too much of it, but this police unit continued to follow me from my home all the way to Freeman Street, which is approximately 3 miles.
I think it's Matthews and Freeman.
This is Officer Starnes. I know for sure I was being targeted. The night before this stop, I had seen him at the fuel station on East Johnson. He proceeded to walk by me and nod. This particular officer has a reputation for profiling citizens within the city of Jonesboro. Let's continue.
My name is Officer Starnes, Jonesboro Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you got a brake light out. Your passenger side brake light. Is there a reason you're not wearing your seatbelt today, sir? You what now?
Just trying to get to Walmart, so I can pick up this order.
You're going to Walmart. You're going the wrong way.
Okay, look at this Walmart, pick up the order.
You got a driver's license on you? Okay, Mr. Mobley, is there a reason you're nervous?
Officer Starnes proceeds to lie and say I look nervous. I wasn't nervous. I knew I was being targeted because I had just seen him the night before.
What's wrong, man?
I mean, you're telling me from all the way, well, who wouldn't be nervous? You're telling me all the way from back there.
You have a brake light out, man.
You tell somebody that long. I mean, you're going to pull me over. You could have pulled me over.
I thought you were going to turn to a residence back there. I wasn't going to bother you because you were going to be at home, but I saw you driving, so I mean, you need to know your brake light's out, don't you? For your safety, right?
Why would Officer Starnes follow me for nearly 3 miles? Why didn't he activate his lights within the first mile and a half? I tell you why. His goal was to try to intimidate me.
I mean, right? And you're not wearing your seatbelt? That's not safe either, man. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Officer Starnes made up his mind the day before when he walked by me at the fuel station that I was going to be his next target.
$123 to $131. If you're not in Tennessee, you kind of want to stop.
What's your 20?
Matthews and Freeman.
I just found a suspect with a warrant driving right next to me. She's driving erratically. It's going to be 131 traffic stop at Main and Bradley, 548 Young Atterbury.
123 dispatch.
Go ahead. dude.
Go ahead.
Out of, if I can say, Itawamba County, South Fulton. It says to contact Itawamba. If you guys don't mind doing that.
10-4.
He basically clammed up and was just like, he's got some odd behavior going on.
131.
I'm gonna ask if I can search.
Officer Starnes and Officer Wright now proceed to fabricate a lie for their body cams to justify violating my constitutional rights.
And confirm.
Yeah, why don't you go do that?
You don't use blunt spray, do you?
Smell that.
I can smell it through it.
I smell like a spray or something. But it's like visibly shaking.
Three officers are now on the scene for a broken tail light. Officer Starnes, Officer Hart, and Officer Wright are now approaching my vehicle.
Hey, Mr. Mother, go ahead and step out for me, okay? I'll explain all that to you in just a second.
Keep in mind, this is my very first encounter with the Jonesboro Police Department. At this time, I have no criminal charges or traffic violations on my record. Now my Fourth Amendment rights are being violated. I'm not a smoker nor a drinker. Officer Starnes, Officer Wright, and Officer Hart all conspired to lie against me. They never observed or smelled anything that would have given them probable cause to force me to step out of my vehicle.
Sit back here. So this is a high drug traffic area. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run a dog around your vehicle.
This is not a high drug traffic area. This is actually a very nice neighborhood. But corrupt cops will say anything on body cam that makes them look favorable.
And if it doesn't hit, it'll be out here. You're in your vehicle?
I'm just going along, man. I'm a pickup driver for Walmart.
I get it, man. I get it. And that's all I'm trying to prove, man. Trying to prove your exact statement, okay?
Prove. I guess according to Officer Starnes, the citizens of Jonesboro are guilty until proven innocent. Officer Starnes now proceeds to conduct an unlawful search by removing my items from my pockets. He's in clear violation of the Fourth Amendment.
What'd you say you got there free?
It's just a high drug traffic area, so you do this almost every car we stop. You know, just get down to drug traffic. I don't know you, I've never met you. So,
Drive for Walmart.
we're going to hit you out here in a second. Okay?
Where'd you say you got those from? Where? Who got up? High tops? What's your first name? Christian. Christian, I'm Mike. Good to meet you. How you like working as a delivery driver? Clocking in whenever you get available. Pay pretty good? Does it pay pretty good? Does that include mileage?
Starnes. Look at this clown. He really thinks he's a tough guy. 5 minutes alone with me, I turn him into a coward.
Online delivery. Isn't it online delivery?
This is my mom's. Yeah, that brake light's out.
Christian, appreciate you being patient with us. It goes a long way. So it's already paid for by the time you pick it up, isn't it?
Well, he's here. I'm gonna have you stand over here by that wheel. Run the dog. Might be out here in just a second.
Officer Obregon arrives with his Canine. Officer Obregon is also the same officer who murdered Pronti by shooting him twice in the back of his head. Officer Obregon proceeds to conduct a free air sniff with his Canine. During a free air sniff, the Canine is not allowed to enter or break the car's barrier. The Canine sticks his head inside the car's window, breaking the car's barrier. Another Fourth Amendment violation has just been committed. Just look at how deflated they look. They violated my Fourth Amendment rights just to find nothing.
you step back front, if you need to. Get out of that brush over there. You don't own any Jordans, do you? You don't like Jordans? The Converse guy? Those are pretty stylish. I like those.
Before this encounter, I had the utmost respect for law enforcement. But in this moment, I feel helpless. But also in this moment, I would begin to build a resentment and anger towards law enforcement, specifically Officer Starnes.
I appreciate the fact that your break out don't need your verbal one. I'm not really going to do this. I hate this. I have seen one Christian for life.
Did you keep? Take care, Christian.
As I drove off, I thought to myself, never again. I will never have this feeling again. I will never allow cowards to intimidate me. This is Officer Hart. Now, nearly 2 years after this encounter, Officer Hart is one of the 8 officers who have filed a protection order against me, along with 7 other officers. This is Officer Wright. He's another officer mentioned in the protection order. Officer Starnes is also listed in that same protection order. But the very next day after this stop, I was inside the dollar store with my back turned to the store entrance. As I turned around, there was Starnes standing behind me at the cash register. He then proceeded to smirk at me and nod his head as he walked out the store. Afterwards, all the harassment from the Jonesboro Police Department began. Every time I would go out in public, they would start using tactics like pulling in front of me, cutting past me, tailing behind me for long periods of time, or driving circles around my car whenever I was parked in public. Starnes made me a target, and for the next 2 years, encounters with the Jonesboro Police Department began to intensify. In part 2 of this series, we'll take a closer look into my encounters with Sergeant Stout. Thanks for watching.